Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rockle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The World is Too Much with Us on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rockle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. When was William Wordsworth born? Options are A. 7 April 1870, B. 7 April 1570, C. 7 April 1670 or D. 7 April 1770. Correct option is D. 7 April 1770. Question number 2. Where was Wordsworth born? Options are A. Lake District in Cockermouth, which is in Cumberland, B. Birmingham, C. Cornwall or D. Westminster. Correct option is A. Lake District in Cockermouth, which is in Cumberland. Question number 3. What was Wordsworth's father? Options are A. Farmer, B. An attorney, C. A teacher or D. A doctor. Correct option is B. An attorney. Question number 4. Who was Dorothy? Options are A. Wordsworth's wife, a scholar philosopher, B. Wordsworth's mother, a dramatist, C. Wordsworth's sister, a poetess and diarist, or D. Wordsworth's beloved, an actress. Correct option is C. Wordsworth's sister, a poetess and a diarist. Question number 5. What age does English poet William Wordsworth represent? Options are A. Modern age, B. Victorian age, C. Romantic age or D. Metaphysical age. Correct option is C. Romantic age. Question number 6. What Wordsworth is famous as? Options are A. Religious poet, B. Epic poet, C. Philosophical poet or D. Nature poet. Correct option is D. Nature poet. Question number 7. Where did Wordsworth take his primary education? Options are A. Nottingham High School, B. Croydon High School, C. At Penrith and Hawkshead Grammar School or D. At Oxford High School. Correct option is C. At Penrith and Hawkshead Grammar School. Question number 8. When did Wordsworth join St. John's College in Cambridge? Options are A. 1587, B. 1687, C. 1787 or D. 1887. Correct option is C. 1787. Question 9. What is the title of the book in which Wordsworth describes the different periods of his life? Options are A. Periods of my life, B. The Prelude, C. My Lift Story or D. History of my life. Correct option is B. The Prelude. Question number 10. In dash dash, after receiving a legacy, Wordsworth lived with Dorothy in Dorset and at Alfoxden. Options are A. 1795, B. 1695, C. 1790 or D. 1688. Correct option is A. 1795. Question 11. Who is close friend of Wordsworth? Options are A. P.B. Shelley, B. John Keats, C. S.T. Coleridge or D. Lord Byron. Correct option is C. S.T. Coleridge. Question 12. In 1798, Wordsworth and Coleridge together published a book named The Dash Dash. Options are A. Lucy Gray, B. The Ruined Cottage, C. Guide to the Lakes or D. Lyrical Ballads. Correct option is D. Lyrical Ballads. Question 13. Second edition of the Lyrical Ballads came out in dash dash. Options are A. 1800, B. 1802, C. 1803 or D. 1804. Correct option is 1800. Question 14. Idealism, escapism, and dash dash are themes or characteristics of romantic poetry. Options are A. Return to nation, B. Return to home, C. Return to nature, or D. Return to country. Correct option is C. Return to nature. Question 15. According to Wordsworth, poetry is dash dash of all writings. Options are A. The most interesting, B. The most philosophical, C. The most ethical, or D. The most decent. Correct option is B. The most philosophical. Question 16. According to Wordsworth, object of poetry is dash dash carried alive into the heart by passion. Options are A. Passionate, B. Vehicle, C. False, or D. Truth. Correct option is D. Truth. Question 17. When was The World is Too Much With Us composed by Wordsworth? Options are A. 1802, B. 1803, C. 1700, or D. 1799. Correct option is A. 1802. Question 18. When was The World is Too Much With Us published? Options are A. 1810, B. 1812, C. 1807, or D. 1809. Correct option is C. 1807. Question 19. Which meter is used in The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. Iambic pentameter, B. Iambic monometer, C. Iambic hexameter, or D. Iambic heptameter. Correct option is A. Iambic pentameter. Question 20. What is the form or type of the poem The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. Elegy, B. Ballad, C. Sonnet, or D. Ode. Correct option is C. Sonnet. Question 21. What does The World is Too Much With Us lay stress on? Options are A. Go to town and enjoy life, B. Go back or return to nature, C. Utility of physical life, or D. Futility of natural life. Correct option is B. Go back or return to nature. Question 22. The World is Too Much With Us is a popular dash dash sonnet. Options are A. Meditative, B. Tedious, C. Monotonous, or D. Pessimistic. Correct option is A. Meditative. Question 23. In The World is Too Much With Us, Wordsworth laments on the dash dash. Options are A. Happiness of human life, B. Natural life, C. Selfish life, or D. Evils of materialism. Correct option is D. Evils of materialism. Question 24. According to Wordsworth, materialism makes man dash dash towards the beauty of nature. Options are A. Insensitive or indifferent, B. Happy, C. Healthy, or D. Wonder. Correct option is A. Insensitive or indifferent. Question 25. In The World is Too Much With Us, Wordsworth expresses his distaste or dislike for dash dash. Options are A. Traditional civilization, B. Contemporary civilization, C. Social tradition, or D. Natural beauty. Correct option is B. Contemporary civilization. Question 26. The World is Too Much With Us praises the primitive, that is original religion of dash dash. Options are A. Nature worship, B. Human worship, C. God's worship, or D. Jesus Christ. Correct option is A. Nature worship. Question 27. The World is Too Much With Us is a dash dash model of sonnet. Options are A. Wordsworth, B. Shakespearean, C. Miltonic, or D. Petrarchan or Italian. Correct option is D. Petrarchan or Italian. Question 28. How does Wordsworth divide his The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. Feelings and emotions, B. In octave and systate, C. Philosophy and morality, or D. Traditional and modern. Correct option is B. In octave and the systate. Question 29. What is the rhyme scheme of The World is Too Much With Us? Options are Option A. ABBA, CDCD, EFG, EFG. Option B. ABCD, ABCD, CDE, CDE. Option C. ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. Or option D. ABBA, ABBA, CDE, DCD. Correct option is D. ABBA, ABBA, CDE, DCD. Question 30. In the first 4 lines of The World is Too Much With Us, the poet laments his weariness, that is tiredness, with dash dash world. Options are A. Emotional, B. Spiritual, C. Physical or material, or D. Aesthetic. Correct option is C. Physical or material. Question 31. In the second quatrain, that is lines 5 to 8 of the sonnet, Wordsworth expresses his disenchantment with the dash dash. Options are A. Calm seas and the howling winds, B. Rumbling seas and the peaceful winds, C. Rumbling seas and the howling winds, or D. Calm sea and shining moon. Correct option is C. Rumbling seas and howling winds. Question 32. What is the theme of the sonnet The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. Human life and animal life, B. Illusion versus or against reality, C. Human life and bird life, or D. Traditional and modern life. Correct option is B. Illusion versus or against reality. Question 33. What revolution is criticized by Wordsworth in The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. The Second Industrial Revolution, B. The First Industrial Revolution, C. The Third Industrial Revolution, or D. The Fourth Industrial Revolution. Correct option is B. The First Industrial Revolution. Question 34. Which 2 Greek gods are described or referred in The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. Hera and Triton, B. Apollo and Proteus, C. Proteus and Triton, or D. Athena and Apollo. Correct option is C. Proteus and Triton. Question 35. According to Greek mythology, dash dash is the sea god endowed with the gift of prophecy and can assume different shapes. Options are A. Athena, B. Hera, C. Apollo, or D. Proteus. Correct option is D. Proteus. Question 36. According to Greek mythology, dash dash blows his wreathed, that is coiled, conch or horn in order to calm or pacify the stormy and restless waves. Options are A. Hera, B. Hypnos, C. Triton, or D. Hestia. Correct option is C. Triton. Question 37. Who wishes to remain as a pagan in the poem? Options are A. The poet or speaker of the poem, or Wordsworth, B. Coleridge, C. Keats, or D. Greek gods. Correct option is A. The poet or speaker of the poem, or Wordsworth. Question 38. Whom does Wordsworth compare howling wind in The World is Too Much With Us? Options are A. Restless waves, B. Howling wind, C. Sleeping flowers, or D. Calm sea. Correct option is C. Sleeping flowers. Question 39. The line getting and spending, we lay waste our powers describes dash dash. Options are A. Human attachment with material or physical world, B. Human attachment with emotional world, C. Human attachment with attractive world, or D. Human attachment with decaying world. Correct option is A. Human attachment with material or physical world. Question 40. Whom did the pronoun we and us are used in the poem The World is Too Much with Us? Options are A. Few human beings, B. All human beings, C. Some human beings, or D. Greek gods. Correct option is B. All human beings. Question 41. Whom does the poem The World is Too Much with Us is addressed? Options are A. Every citizen, B. Greek gods, C. Wind and flowers, or D. Sea and moon. Correct option is A. Every citizen. Question 42. What do you understand by the phrase sordid boon? Options are A. Material pleasure is real pleasure, B. Material or physical pleasures are tainted or polluted pleasures, C. Boons given by Greek god, or D. Try to get material happiness. Correct option is B. Material or physical pleasures are tainted, that is polluted pleasures. Question 43. What does the sea do? Options are she bears her bosom to the moon, B. She bears her bosom to the howling wind, C. She bears her bosom to the dancing flowers, or D. She bears her bosom to the Greek god. Correct option is A. She bears her bosom to the moon. Question 44. What does the poet lament in The World is Too Much with Us? Options are A. Dorothy's love, B. Strong connection between man and nature, C. Loss of beloved's beauty, or D. Withering or weak connection between man and nature. Correct option is D. Withering or weak connection between man and nature. Question 45. What does the phrase late and soon mean? Options are A. Man and nature, B. Moon and sun, C. Past and future, or D. Poet and nature. Correct option is C. Past and future. Question 46. How do we lay waste our powers or time? Options are A. Getting or earning and spending, B. Coming and going, C. Flying and walking, or D. Reading and writing. Correct option is A. Getting or earning and spending. Question 47. What do you mean by we are out of tunes? Options are A. We fail to live happily, B. We fail to earn money, C. We fail to spend money, or D. We fail to listen music of nature. Correct option is D. We fail to listen music of nature. Question 48. What according to Wordsworth makes us out of tune? Options are A. Increasing pursuit for materialistic things, B. Increasing pursuit for natural music, C. Increasing pursuit for natural beauty, or D. Increasing pursuit for spiritual happiness. Correct option is A. Increasing pursuit for materialistic things. Question 49. The world is too much with us is a verbal attack on the dash. Options are A. Winds and flowers, B. Sea and moon, C. Greek gods, or D. Gross materialism and spiritual decay. Correct option is D. Gross materialism and spiritual decay. Question 50. Title of the poem The World is Too Much with Us is an example of dash. Options are A. Personification, B. Simile, C. Alliteration, or D. Metaphor. Correct option is C. Alliteration. Question 51. We have given our hearts away is an example of dash. Options are A. Metaphor, B. Alliteration, C. Hyperbole, or D. Onomatopoeia. Correct option is A. Metaphor. Question 52. The sea that bears her bosom to the moon is an example of dash. Options are A. Personification, B. Pun, C. Hyperbole, or D. Metonymy. Correct option is A. Personification. Question 53. William Wordsworth died in 23rd April dash. Options are A. 1852, B. 1847, C. 1848, or D. 1850. Correct option is D. 1850. Question 54. Who is the speaker of the sonnet The World is Too Much with Us? Options are A. Wind and Flowers, B. Sea and Wind, C. The Poet or Wordsworth, or D. Greek Gods. Correct option is C. The Poet or Wordsworth. Question 55. The use of word pairs such as getting and spending and late and soon emphasizes the dash. Options are A. Dull modern life, B. Love for nature, C. Monotonous nature of modern life and materialism, or D. Attraction towards nature. Correct option is C. Monotonous nature of modern life and materialism. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.